Semantic is the study of the meaning of the words or the sentences.
Okay, so as far as semantics is basically everything related to the significant and everything related to the definition or concept that we have for each word or concept itself. It's a conventional, most likely related to what is conventional to most society. So it might change from one a specific group of people. So the demographic plays an important role as far as semantics. Also, semantics is the meaning, the basically the ensemble of different concepts and different words try to make some sense in a particular sentence.
Semantics is the discipline that studies the meaning of the words or the symbol used with communicator purposes.
Pragmatism is the way in which we communicate things with our body language or the way we say things and how we express that with our uh, body language.
Pragmatics is everything, basically every concept or semantic that we use and we put in use, basically everything practical and how society can benefit from different concepts to express an idea or that goes along with the communication skills that everyone has and everyone learns through their lifetime. So pragmatics is also linked to the demographics and how they express an idea and how they put it in use, and that is also the way that one group of people maybe stands out from another one, and some of these examples differ from let's say the purpose of the speech, the purpose of the message that you're trying to communicate, and the intention pretty much, and how you use the language.
Pragmatics studies the use of the language depending on the context and how the context contributes to the meaning of the words.
Language is a complex system of communication that's developed to interact or speak with other people or animals or stuff.
Every human being is born with a faculty to have a language, to have a way and basically a code to communicate. A language is a universal thing that everyone can afford basically because it's natural. There's different types of communication of language skills and language, let's say codes, as in let's say different languages, of course, and the way people express those languages depending on where they're located. But basically, it's a natural thing that comes with every human being, and it's a faculty.
A language is a code used by a group of people as a communication system.
Speech is verbal communication to express yourself through vocal sounds.
A speech has a specific structure, and it basically what it's looking for is to communicate an idea. Most likely, it's related to rhetorical type of situations in which the person who's making the speech is trying to persuade a specific audience. It can be one, two, or a bunch of people, but basically it's how the approach is and how sometimes even trying to connect through maybe some type of words that generate some emotions in others, and as long as the idea is completely put out and understandable for them. So it also has to identify the type of audience you're speaking to, and it needs to have a purpose and an ending. Most likely, that ending would be a conclusion that you want to get to, and that you want people to to be, to resonate with and to synchronize with you as far as what you're trying to tell them.